Hi everyone, welcome to this episode. We're going to have a look at the time command in Minecraft Education. Okay, so the time command, it can be approached at two different ways, and I've got both of them on the screen for you here. So it always starts with /time, that is our command. But you have the ability to either one here add time, or the other option is to set time. Now if you add time, you're increasing the age of the world. If you're setting time, you're just changing what you want it to be at that point in time. So anything that will change based on the aging characteristics of the world won't be affected if you're using the set. Now if you're using add, you then just basically have to say how much time you want to add on. So remember, that's in ticks, which is kind of the in-game timing. But the time command is a little bit different when it comes to setting the time. You can set it to a specific amount, so each kind of value or each part of the day has a value. So you can kind of see it here that nighttime is 13,000 as the value in ticks. That if you wrote that in /time set and then said 13,000, it would just go to night. Or my more preferred option is to use this here where you just write it in. So if I want it to be nighttime, I just need to write night. But you do kind of need to remember what those values are. So it's day, noon, sunset, night, midnight, and sunrise. Okay, so for this one here, we're going to keep it really, really nice and simple. So let's imagine that we have our command block that we're going to place down. So let's just focus on set, okay? So because I don't really have much to show in regards to the aging of the world, but let's do set first. So let's go /time, and then we're going to go set, and then I'll do a set amount. So that is the number value. So if I wanted to go to sunrise, sunrise is 23,000 you have to write in, and then I'm just going to use a lever here. And so then if I pull this lever, you'll notice that that was nighttime just before, and it started to kind of slightly change. It's now sunrise, and this will gradually get brighter as the day continues. I can, however, if I knock this one out, let's pull that back up, you can write it slightly differently. So I can go time, and then I'm going to go set, but this time I'm going to slightly change it. So I'm going to change it to right in the middle of the night. I'm going to go midnight, so when it's at its darkest. There we go. So I just write in midnight, and then this time, so it's currently still in our sunrise sunset mode here, I'm going to pull the lever, and then there it is. It's instantly changed. That's moved over. The world hasn't aged, but it's a nice, quick, simple one. It's a good command to use if you kind of don't want dark places because you're worried about mobs, or that might be part of the game, is that it changes today and you don't have that problem anymore. But important one to learn. I hope you like it, and we will see you again soon.